Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to install the DCCStands VESA Mount, designed for easy payment device integration next to your POS screen. Let's start by reviewing what's included in the box. You'll find 1. A fully assembled VESA mount, which includes the custom bracket cradle sled for your payment device, a POS flat mount with holes for both 70mm and 100mm VESA mounts, 2 sets of 4 screws of different heights. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flat head screwdriver. Before installing, please make sure the back of your monitor has screw holes to allow for installation. If not, you cannot mount the VESA stand. The VESA mounts are compatible with a variety of monitor sizes, including 15, 19, and 25-inch models. Step 1. The stand comes pre-configured for a right-side installation. If you prefer a left-side configuration, this is easily accomplished with simple instructions at DCCStands.com. Position the payment device and VESA stand to the desired distance from the edge of the monitor. There are 2 options for screw holes based on the size of your monitor. Insert the payment device into the mounting plate. Secure the device by screwing in the provided security screw, if applicable. The security screw is included, but some devices have a hole in the back for it, while others do not. You may need to check if your device has this feature. This bracket cradle fits devices for several payment device brands, including models from First Data, Deja Vu, Castles, Ingenico, Verifone, Nexco, Equinox, Valor, Honeywell, and PAX. If you don't see your brand, we can custom make a solution for you. And that's it. Your payment device is now securely mounted and ready to use. For further questions or requests, reach out to customer support at DCCStands.